Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Snap Supplements Prostate Health, a viral TikTok and Amazon product claiming to reduce nighttime bathroom trips and support prostate health. With thousands of men dealing with these issues, does Snap actually work or is it just another marketing hype? Let's break it down. So Snap Supplements Prostate Health is a legitimate product sold on Amazon, GNC, Walmart, and iHerb, containing a blend of research-backed ingredients: saw palmetto for prostate health, reishi and maitake mushrooms for antioxidant protection, turmeric for inflammation, zinc and selenium for hormonal balance, stinging nettle and cytosterol for urinary health, plus green tea extract and lycopene. The formula targets common prostate issues like frequent nighttime urination, weak urine flow, and bladder discomfort. Here's what real users report. Many men experienced noticeable improvements. One user stated that his PSA dropped from 6.15 to below 4 after using Snap Prostate Health, along with improved urination. Another reported going from waking up 2 to 4 times per night down to just 1, with much stronger stream. Users on iHerb and Walmart consistently mentioned reduced nighttime bathroom visits, better urine flow, and improved sleep quality. Some say results appeared within the first bottle, while others needed 4 to 6 weeks for full effects. The ingredients do have legitimate research backing. Saw palmetto can help reduce symptoms of benign prostate hyperplasia. Turmeric and reishi mushrooms provide anti-inflammatory antioxidant benefits. Zinc and selenium support prostate function and hormonal balance. These aren't made-up ingredients. They are commonly recommended by urologists for prostate health. However, Snap Prostate Health isn't a miracle cure. It works best for men with mild to moderate prostate enlargement or early symptoms. If you have severe prostate issues, cancer, or acute urinary retention, you need medical treatment, not supplements. Results vary significantly between individuals. Some men report dramatic improvements while others notice modest or no changes. This is typical of prostate supplements. They support health, but don't work the same for everyone. One complaint worth noting that at least one user reported receiving only 70 pills instead of the advertised 90, which is a quality control issue that needs addressing. However, Snap uses a comprehensive formula combining multiple proven ingredients rather than relying on just saw palmetto alone. The inclusion of mushrooms, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds make it more well-rounded than many competitors. It's also vegetarian, non-GMO, and free of major allergens. The recommended dose is 3 capsules daily with food, and the company emphasizes using it for at least 4 to 6 weeks for best results, which aligns with how prostate supplements typically take to show effects. The final verdict: Snap Prostate Health is worth trying if you have mild to moderate prostate symptoms. The ingredients are legitimate, user reviews are largely positive, and it's sold through reputable retailers. For the price, around $30 to $40, it's competitive with other quality prostate supplements. Just manage expectations. Give it 4 to 6 weeks and always work with your doctor for comprehensive prostate care. It's a support tool, not a replacement for medical treatment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.